I can't get enough of these LED light strips, so I got another set here that I'm going to use on the, like if you've seen my camper, I've got it around the middle, and I want to do one around the bottom and one around the top. I'm not sure if this is going to make it, but we'll see if this is going to be long enough to do. And it probably should be, so here comes the adapter. And I think it runs off of just 5 volts, so it can work pretty easy with anything. So just plug it in. And here is the remote control. And it comes with the little connectors and pieces and everything, so it's a nice little remote control. Pretty good little setup here. And this is gonna be the receiver for it right there. See the little thing there? So I'm guessing this goes into here, and then these go to the lights. So the lights must be in this. Open this up, and we have 2 rolls of the lights. So why not give it a try? Let's aim this down a little bit. There we go. Plug this in and line it up with the arrows. So this way. There we go. And then that's plugged in there, and plug this into the outlet. So now we're plugged in. And we'll see what we get. Oh, and there we are. We got lights. And there's light color changing. And we can do quick or slow. And fade. All the different options. So there we go. Changing different colors. I don't know if you can see the different colors in there, but it works. Excellent. Ooh, smells like rubber. So probably just because it, wow. Ooh, it's a strong one. Probably because as soon as they make it, they must seal it up in here. But wow. So that's pretty cool. And I like the remote because you can change all the different colors and all the different settings. Here, I'll show that real close up. So there we go. And so this is the LED strip, 12 volt safety strip. Not sure what brand. It's a good question, but it's really nice and I like it. And it looks like it comes with some good sticker on it too, so I saw that. I'll be able to stick this to the bottom of the trailer and not have to glue it on like I had to do with my other strips. This is gonna be nice. I like it a lot.